Hi guys, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to yet another favorites, and this time it is May favorites. So without any further ado, let's get started. So starting off with skincare favorites, I have the M Caffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Night Gel. This is by far one of the best, top 3 I would say, night gels that I've tried, or night moisturizers. This is meant for all skin types, but I don't think dry skin people would enjoy this a lot because it is extremely gel-like, but I have oily skin and it works really nicely for me, and it smells amazing. It's very hydrating and it does not feel sticky or anything of that sort. It gets absorbed really nicely as well, and if you have acne prone skin or bumps or something, then green tea is great for you. And you can see I've hit tub on this. I love this product. It's really good. So the first skincare product which I have is by a brand called as Derma Essentials. It is a new skincare brand which I came across. So I got this in PR. This is their Radiant Skin Toner. This one retails for 799 rupees. I know it is a bit expensive for a toner, but you're getting a 200 ml of product. Usually toners में 100 to 150 ml of product होता है. इधर product थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, फिर भी I will say it is expensive, but I really like this toner. I see a lot of difference while I use a normal toner and while I use this. So this one specifically is a Radiant Skin Toner which has vitamin E, C also in it. So this is meant for hydration. They also have a toner which is meant for oily skin people, and the spray of this is so nice. Usually पता है काफी बार इनकी sprays बहुत harsh होती है, you don't like it, but इसका spray एकदम soft and पूरे face पे अच्छे से जाता है, and it smells really good. So this is one product which I have been loving right now. Okay, so the next product that I have is coincidentally from M Caffeine. Again, this is not a sponsored video, but this is the M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. This was hyped all over the internet and it is worth the hype. It is a really good body scrub. Firstly, if you are a person who loves coffee, you are just going to fall in love with it because the fragrance is so good, and whenever I use this, my skin just feels so smooth and soft, and ऐसा लगता है literally 10 kgs of dead skin has come off. It is a powder form, so you will have to dampen your skin and then rub it and then just rinse it off. I personally use this before shaving, so it exfoliates my skin and preps it up for shaving. So I get really good results with this, especially before shaving. So you all should definitely check this out. I personally am not a fan of scrubs जो powder form में आते हैं, but this is an exception. This works amazing, so do check it out. The next product which I have is by Nykaa. This is their Nykaa Naturals Apple Cider Vinegar and Ginger Hair Mask. First of all, I love the packaging of this product. I love the pastel color. MRP for this is 599 rupees, but I got a combo and usme I got the hair mask for 350 rupees, which I feel is a good deal, but 599 के लिए मेरे को थोड़ा expensive लगा. But Nykaa को you will always find it on discount, so that is not an issue, I guess. I love the smell of it. If you guys can see, I'm halfway through already. I have used this 5 to 6 times now and I really like it. It makes my hair soft, supple and nice. I also use this with their shampoo and conditioner, so it helps my hair to give better results. So the next product that I have is actually a at-home DIY pedicure kit from Vadi Herbals. I don't have the box, but it is like a 5-step thingy, and I bought this on Ridul Sharma's recommendation. I bought it from Amazon for 230 rupees, and it's not a one-time use kit. You can use it at least 3 times minimum, and 230 में 3 times आपको अगर pedicure मिलता है तो it's not bad at all. So it has a foot cleanser, a foot scrub, a foot mask, a foot cream. It also has a nail and cuticle oil, and your legs feel so clean, so brighter, so soft. I mean, of course it won't be exactly like a salon experience because आप कुछ dead skin नहीं निकाल रहे और वो कुछ नहीं कर रहे, but if you have those tools, so then तो you are sorted. But even if you don't have, it is a great at home thing to do, so you all should definitely check it out because it's amazing and it's very affordable. So the next thing which I have are yoga bars. So to be honest, I don't know how much healthy they are, but I really like them having, especially for snacks. At least chips और वो चीज़ों से तो better है, मैं इतना बोल सकती हूँ ये. So these are the multigrain energy bars and they have a lot of variants in it. So this one retails for 400 rupees and they have 10 packets. And these are very yummy. Like, you know, these are multigrain. So they have oats, almond, honey and a lot more
other things which is really healthy. So snacks करने के टाइम और स्पेशली ना आजकल मेरा वर्कआउट टाइम इवनिंग का हो गया है. So before workout I need some good food so that I have my energy to work out, and I feel that this is really good for that time.
Okay, so the next thing that I have is not actually a physical thing. It is a habit that I've recently started doing. So if you all don't know, I work out at home almost every single day for half an hour to 40 minutes. But apart from that, I've also started walking on my terrace in the evening for 30 minutes. And yeah, actually, I used to do pehle also at home only for 10-15 minutes. But you know, at home you are restricted for in a small space. There are people and all of that. So sham को now going on the terrace, it's not cold, but it's like chilled much better than the daytime. I just put on some music or watch some video or something, and I just walk or even talk to Dinkle, Isha sometimes. मतलब time pass करते करते I walk, and it is just so therapeutic. Of course, it's good for your health, but in general, I really enjoy that me time, especially in the lockdown when everyone is at home. You can't really find that me time, right? So that half an hour is like very sane to me, and I do it on my terrace only because bahar jana is not that safe. But if you are a person who has like a garden or a backyard, then though it's like amazing. You all should definitely try it. Like 10-15 minutes bhi hoga na, so it would be very very relaxing. So I am really happy that I have started doing this.
That's nice. So the next thing which I have is a pair of glasses. So if you guys remember, I guess last year on November also I showed you a pair of glasses which were new. And तब ना मैंने बहुत style में मैंने सोचा था I want a new good looking pair of glasses which is very trendy and which is very good. Though the glasses are really good, but I'm a very clumsy person and my specs is something which I wear every day. So I wanted a sturdy pair of glasses और वो ना बहुत जल्दी bend हो रहे थे because those were very delicate. That was a very delicate frame. तो आई स्टिल हैव दैट, बट मैंने ना वो बहुत ओकेजनल वेयर के लिए रखा है. सो आई गॉट माई सेल्फ माई ओल्ड ग्लासेज. लाइक दिस इज द स्टाइल ऑफ ग्लास विच आई यूजुअली गो फॉर. दीज आर ब्लैक ग्लासेज एंड दीज आर प्लास्टिक फ्रेम. तो ये जल्दी से टूटता नहीं है, बेंड नहीं होता है, कुछ नहीं होता है. सो या दिस इज व्हाट आई गॉट रिसेंटली. आई कैंट ओपन माई आईज राइट नाउ बिकॉज आई एम वेयरिंग माई लेंस, बट आई फील दीज टाइप ऑफ ग्लासेज लुक रियली गुड ऑन मी.
Okay, now moving on to the favorite show of the month. So I've been watching Young Sheldon on Amazon Prime. So if you've watched Big Bang Theory, it is the Bachpan ka version of Sheldon, and it is a very fun, light-hearted family show. And I was obsessed with Big Bang Theory as well, so I'm obsessed with Young Sheldon as well. मैंने इसको complete नहीं किया है. I'm still in between, but I'm really enjoying it. I've said this in almost every video. I'm not a person who follows like trendy shows, serious violence, thriller, not my kind. I will dig and find happy comedy, romantic shows because that keeps me sane, you know.
True.
So yeah, I've been loving Young Sheldon.
It's good that you're watching it after Big Bang Theory.
Yeah, because it makes sense.
Yeah, मैंने उल्टा किया था. मैंने पहले Young Sheldon देखा था, फिर Big
Because
Bang
there are a
Theory.
lot of references from Big Bang Theory. So बहुत सारी चीजें click होती है, and that really makes me happy.
Yes. For me, my favorite, I don't have a show, but I have a YouTube channel that is What's Up Sisters. That is Kritika Khurana and Diksha Khurana's YouTube channel. They also have a podcast, but I like to watch the YouTube channel. It is so fun. It is like literally with दो friends या दो बहनें बातें कर रहे हैं. I really like it. काफी बार वो लोग थोड़ा बहुत off topic चले जाते हैं, but I love Kritika. I can listen to her the entire day. So yeah, I love those sisters. It looks cute.
Now moving on to favorite day of the month. So firstly, May was really blah. This second wave has like hit us and how, but कुछ तो positive निकल ही जाता है. So for me it has to be Mother's Day, that is 8th of May. So I had a thing in mind कि I want to do something. Of course बाहर तो नहीं जा सकते थे. So I did two small things for my mom and my grandmom. So firstly I ordered my mom's favorite cake. So we cut a cake, सबने मिलके साथ में we clicked pictures, and उसके बाद I decided to give my mom छुट्टी from dinner. I told her कि आज dinner नहीं बनेगा. That doesn't mean मैंने बनाया, हमने बाहर से order किया. So everyone, and mind you, we had outside food after so long. So my mom was really happy. She was relaxing, talking to her friends, watching videos, TV and all of that, and we had food together. So it was all in all a very good family day after a really long time. So yeah, that was my favorite day of the month.
That's really cute. For me, my I don't have a favorite day, but I got done with my TYBCom exams.
Yeah.
And oh my god, वैसे एग्जाम्स जैसा लग तो नहीं रहा था, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट कि आई एम अबाउट टू गेट ग्रेजुएट नाउ, मतलब माई स्टडीज आर डन, आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर द रिजल्ट्स, होपफुली पास हो जाऊंगी, सो उस चीज का टेंशन नहीं है, बट या इट इज सो
Welcome to the adult world. It sucks.
Yeah, exactly. कल ही मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बात कर रही थी यार, पहले अब तो बीकॉम भी हो गया, अब क्या आगे कुछ पढ़ना है नहीं पढ़ना है, आई एम इन सच अ कंफ्यूज एंड अ मिक्स स्टेट, बट या आई एम काइंड ऑफ हैप्पी दैट आई एम डन विद माय ग्रेजुएशन.
Yeah, that's really nice actually. I feel very nostalgic क्योंकि मुझे graduate होके बहुत time हो गया, literally 4-5 साल हो गए.
Yeah.
But yeah guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
and we shall see you all in our next video now. Bye.